It's not real.
Dirty soda in the styrofoam. Spend a day to get my mind blown. Dress it up and go to Nassau. 200 miles on the dash. Gotta roll a pound up a gas. Switching lanes in the...
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Ciara Diamond here, and today I am here. First of all, I have hoops on. That's rare. I do not wear earrings. Like, unless they are studs, you will not catch me in earrings. But I'm starting to like this look. I had wore it to work for this like parody video that we were doing, and everyone was like, oh my gosh, you look nice with hoops. So now I might make this a thing, you know? I just wanted to switch up the look for YouTube today. I am here to show you guys how this amazing hair company here maintained for this last month. I have some basic curls in here, but for first of all, this unit has been on for a week. If I was to zoom in, it'll probably look a little messy because, you know, like, it's been a week. So let me zoom in a little bit. You could probably see, like, it's time for me to wash it and make it look a little more fresh. But you can see, like, the residue from the bulb hole there. So what I'm gonna do, today's Sunday, so I'm going to be, you know, washing that and then reapplying it. I think though, I'm not even gonna hold you. I'm gonna keep it all the way honest. I think I'm gonna give frontals a break, and I'll tell you guys why after. But this wig has been nothing but marvelous. The only thing I would say is that there's two, not even cons, there's just two things that I realized that I wish that I thought of before or even like paid attention to before. And it's nothing with the hair, it's just, let me tell you. So the first thing is, I'm starting to see why people apply, like when making a wig, people apply the frontal after. I personally think it's because it makes it easier if you have to swap out the frontal due to like balding, or like you just want to change the frontal, because sometimes you may need a new frontal. When you lay the frontal down first and then sew around it, it kind of makes it difficult to remove the frontal if you wanted to just swap it out, meaning that you have to create a whole new wig. And I'm now starting to realize that. I think that's why people apply the frontal last, because I'm not a professional, so I just watch YouTube videos just as you guys do and learn. I didn't go to school for anything. I just watch videos and learned over the time, like over the last couple of years. But that's number one. Number two is it kind of relates to number one, because if I did apply the frontal last when making the wig, I could have swapped it out, because not that the frontal is balding because of the hair, but being that I was rushing because I was going to LA, I used 40 volume developer instead of 30 volume developer when bleaching the knots on the frontal. So it processed quicker, but it made the hair weaker because it got platinum really quick, meaning that this is good quality hair. Because sometimes if your hair is not changing colors when you bleach it, it's not real. I realized that being that I was like in a rush, like, and I bleached it, it processed really quickly, and 40 volume is really, really strong. They normally recommend you to only use 20 or 30, but I pushed it and I used 40, and now I'm suffering the consequences because the hair is kind of falling out quicker. So I even changed the part, but I really want to swap out the frontal. So what I might do is I might buy a frontal from her hair company and then just take this wig apart and remake it. I hate to say that, but that's what I get. But I'm gonna do that. I'm actually gonna do that because the quality of this hair, like, for my birthday is coming up and I really don't want to switch it, but I think I want to do a color for my birthday, because a lot of people are like, oh, we haven't seen you in your colors, go back to the old Ciara. I've been getting so many DMs like that, and now that color is a thing. I'm like, shit, I really had this color showing up a minute ago, but then I got like all used to black, and now I'm kind of scared, believe it or not. But I think I'm going to do a color for my birthday, so I would not be able to use this hair. I would probably be able to use their platinum blonde hair, but I'm just going to have to master coloring and all that stuff on the frontal. It's a lot of headache, unless I find a colorist that can just do it for me, because I really don't have time to color hair anymore. But this hair, like, I haven't experienced shedding really. Like, I'm gonna run my hands through it and see what strands I get. One, I don't know if y'all can see this. 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. So I only got 3 strands. And I've been putting heat to this thing every day, every single day. And it hasn't gotten coarse or anything, so you can see where it reaches me. It's like stomach length. But everybody like loves this hair. I haven't worn it wet. I'm gonna insert a video of how it does look freshly washed. Freshly washed, it gives a nice wave pattern and it looks really cute, but I've just been wearing it like this. Another thing is, a lot of people in the last video asked to see the frontal without any filter or anything, because I mean it still looks the same, but I'll insert a video here somewhere on the screen for that. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the link down below for you guys to check this hair out. You can check out other videos that I've uploaded in the past. You can check out other videos that people have reviewed this hair. I know Lexis, L for Lexi, she reviewed this hair as well, like the same pattern, the same texture. So definitely you can check her video out as well. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it. And if you have any other questions, you can just feel free to hit me down below. Hit me on Instagram, hit me on Twitter, hit me on whatever social network you are more comfortable with. I'm on everything. Yeah, I'm on everything. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Also, let me know what videos you guys want down below. I need to know what you guys want, because then I'm gonna just keep doing the same thing. But let me know what you want. Tell me what you want from me. Take a look at it. Alright, that was a sidetrack, but I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.